welcome to this practice. Take a moment to get into a nice comfortable seat. If you'd like to, like me, come into Sukhasana, then just make sure the fleshy parts are moved away from underneath your hips, and you're gently now resting your palms down towards your knees or thighs. And let's take a moment to close down the eyes, a moment to arrive in the practice today, and just a moment to let go from anything else that is happening around you in your world, your day-to-day life. And you have carved out this time for yourself, so really make sure that it is yours, that your mind is not drifting off too often, that you're allowing yourself to be present. So as you close down your eyes, take a moment to become aware of your posture. Feel your sits bones grounding down towards the earth, your knees relaxing. So the lower part of your body is quite steady. It's like your foundation, your base of this seated posture. And then imagine your heart is over the hips and the head sits over the heart. So you're creating one nice long line running all the way up into the crown of your head. And invite some lightness into your upper body. Gently bring the shoulders back and down. Feel the heart opening. Elbows are relaxing down, palms are soft. And although you're quite alert and quite upright in this seated posture, see if you can now find some softness in your breath. We start with a breathing exercise today, which is a 3 count, inhaling and exhaling for 3. And to start together, I would like you to take a nice long deep breath in. Draw it all the way down into your body. Gently open your mouth and exhale through the mouth. Now let's start together, inhaling for 3, 2, 1. Relax the belly, hold the breath. Exhale for 3, 2, 1, release. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 3, 2, 1. Again, one more round together. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Relax the belly, keep this upright position, and exhale for 3, 2, 1, release. Continue for about 5 more rounds, inhaling and exhaling for 3, and just make it your breath. So you can extend it, you can shorten, as in make the counts quicker, just really dropping into a nice nourishing breath of yours. See whether you can fully tune into the sensation and the sound of your breathing, letting go of anything that happened during the day thus far, really allowing to slow down, to wind down. Beautiful work. Take a couple more rounds. Very, very nice. And now just drop into a nice, deep, natural rhythm of yours. And you can keep your eyes closed during the whole practice, or you can softly often open your eyes, soften your gaze. Now start to roll through the shoulders one way. Lift the shoulders forwards, up and down the back. And just really feel into this movement. So on every inhale you're lifting. On the out breath you let go of anything you need to let go of. Breathing fully, breathing deeply. Beautiful work. And then change the circle. So take it the other way around. Squeeze the shoulder blades in and then roll them forward and down. Just noticing whether one shoulder might feel slightly different to the other. See if you can bring a bit of balance into the movement. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. And then slowly release. Now, if you are in cross-legged, change the cross of your legs. And then just soften your palms next to you onto the mat. From here, again, really lift your body. See if you can bring the chin slightly back so your head is over the heart. Start to look over towards the left side. And just go as far as you like. So starting to explore this first neck stretch. You can look far past this left shoulder, or you can just keep it quite neutral. Then come back to center, nice and slowly. And then start to look over the right shoulder, turning the head to this side. And again, both sides might feel quite different, or one to the other. Just take it as it is and start to breathe into these stretches. Now with the breath, come back to center, inhale. Exhale to the left. Inhaling back to center. And exhaling to the right, shoulders relax. Now take 3 more of these, and I know some days we just want to move a bit faster, it takes a bit of patience, but it's really healing for the body. So try to move fully with the breath. While you do this movement, notice if your legs can stay a bit more relaxed. Whether you're holding the breath, whether your belly is relaxed. Beautiful work. Take about 2 more. Again, the eyes might be open or closed. Imagine for this last round, you really try to relax any potential tension in the neck. And I think we all hold some there. Relax the jaw, teeth move slightly apart. Beautiful work, very, very nice. And then next time the head comes back to center, we start to bring that into circles. So bring your left ear to the left shoulder, drop your chin down to your chest, half circles today. So you're bringing the head to the right side, and then you go to the left again. So nice half circles. Again, breathing through it, going from one side to the other. If you're doing this in the morning, maybe you haven't had a good sleep or so, you could always let go of the night and try to really ease your way into the day. If you're practicing this later in the day, you might need to let go of something else or just wind down. Take 1 more round. Beautiful work, very, very nice. And then slowly controlled, lift the head back to center. Again, feel free to change your seat at any point you need to, you feel like it. And then start to open your arms away from one another. Really try to open your fingers, not too much. You don't want to kind of tense up in the body, but you're spreading the fingers. You try to bring your hands as far toward your back wall or the back space, whatever is behind you, as you can. And you just start to lift the collarbones up towards the ceiling. Take an in-breath here. And as you exhale, come forward, interlock your hands and start to push your hands forward at the same time round the chin to the chest. A bit of cat and cow seated. As you inhale, open the body, slightly roll over your sits bones. As you breathe out, round your back, push your shoulder blades away from your hands. 3 more rounds. Breathe in, maybe this is your last one. Enjoy, inhale. And exhale all the way out. Now next time you're in that rounded cat back, flip your palms and start to extend your arms all the way up towards the ceiling. Keep the shoulders down, stay nice and long through the sides body. Elbows are tucking or tilting out. In breath here. Beautiful work, and on the out breath, slowly, slowly release your arms. Very nice. And now we change to seat. So bring the feet together for Baddha Konasana butterfly and shift your hips as far or as close to the heels as you like to be comfortable. And then from here, wrap your palms around your feet. Again, nice and softly, you're winding down. Take an in-breath, lift the chest. And on the out breath, start to guide your body towards the ground. So your nose is somewhere reaching towards the toes. You're rounding your back. Then wherever you get to, see if you can relax. So you still hold on to the feet, but you relax the grip. You relax the elbows. Maybe actually see now your belly rising and falling on the in-breath. And you're just really trying to breathe deep into the body. On the inhale, feel the body slightly rising. On the out breath, feel the body softening. So use this exhalation as a chance to relax, really release. Or maybe a change because you are relaxing. Take about 3 more counts of breaths. One more round. Beautiful work, very, very nice. And then slowly, with the help of your hands, lift your body back up to center and then guide your knees back in towards one another. Now you can stay where you are, just make sure you can see it. We come into a straight-legged fold. Feet are about hip-width apart. Shift again the fleshy part away from underneath your sits bones. Flex your toes. Legs can be straight or bent. Now as you inhale, gently rise your arms up towards the ceiling. Start to reach through one hand and the other, so you're really making sure you're nice and loose, nice and relaxed. And then on the next out breath, fold forward. You can hold onto the outer edges of your feet if you like, or just simply relax your arms down. And then the same applies here with every in-breath, noticing the body rising. And on every out breath, you're just allowing the body to surrender. Feet can be fully relaxed. Jaw relaxes, your teeth, your shoulders. And you feel that nice stretching sensation of the inhale in your back body. And the softening, maybe of the belly on the out breath. Notice if your mind starts to wander, bring it back. Remember, it's your time, your practice. Take a couple more breaths. Beautiful work, really, really nice. And then slowly lift your body back and up. And it's already time for our final relaxation, so we move into Shavasana to end our practice today. Come to lie down fully flat on the mat, or if there's anything going on in your back, you can have the soles of your feet on the ground. And imagine you're really mirroring what you do on one side and the other. So trying to bring the arms equally as far away from the body. Feet are flopping out, maybe the feet come even wider. Then hip width, mat width apart. Lift the head, tuck the chin towards the chest. And as you close your eyes, imagine this is like a button you press to zone out. To zone out, to zone in. That's what I sometimes say. So letting go of anything happening around you. And it's not that you're ignoring it, but sometimes we need to recharge. We need to let go to then come back and have more energy. Or more drive maybe. So tuning out to tune in now. See how your body feels lying down on the mat. And see if you can invite the body to feel a bit heavier now. And for the next few minutes, I would like you to just enjoy stillness. Whatever comes up in your mind, acknowledge it, and then see if you can send it away, like clouds drifting away and coming and going. Your breath is very soft. You're not changing the rhythm. You're just present in stillness. Notice this gentle rising and falling sensation that your breath offers your body. And allow yourself to drift into this relaxation, into this surrendering. You deserve it. And as it's time to slowly come back now, very, very gently start to deepen the breath. Bring movement back into your body, maybe flexing the toes and then starting to roll through the feet and the wrists, the fingers. Gently rolling the head left and right. And one after the other, bring the feet back down onto the mat. Just gently now sway the knees side to side, releasing any tension, or just giving the lower back a bit of a massage here. Beautiful work. And then start to drop your knees to one side. With the help of your hands, come up to standing, sitting. I think I'm now fully relaxed as well. You can come up to standing, but maybe we take it slow, coming into a seat. Bring your hands in front of your heart as a gesture of gratitude into Anjali Mudra, and just gently bow your head toward yourself. Take a moment to really notice what a yoga practice can do for you, your day. And hopefully you were able to wind down, to relax, and take this into the next part of your day, your week ahead. Thank you so much from my heart to yours. Namaste.